Every Indian home has a small medicine box, but do you really know what's inside it? From fever tablets to digestion remedies, antiseptics to pain relievers, these essentials are trusted by millions of families. I'm Rajesh from Pharma Health Insights. Stay tuned, because knowing the top 25 household medicines, their names, compositions, and uses, can help you handle everyday health problems smartly and safely. Alright, let's kick off our journey with something super familiar, the medicine that almost every household relies on when the thermometer climbs. Yes, the go-to tablet for fever. Think about it, the moment someone says, "I feel feverish," this is usually the first strip pulled out of the medicine box. It's simple, widely trusted, and practically a must-have. So, let's start right there, with the most common fever medicine that you'll surely recognize. Our first stop, and probably the tablet every one of us has taken at some point, is Dolo 650. Its generic name is paracetamol, 650 mg, and it's the go-to medicine for fever, body aches, and mild pain relief. Remember the COVID-19 pandemic? This tiny white tablet suddenly became a household name across India. Families stocked it, doctors prescribed it, and it turned into the most trusted companion whenever fever struck. The best part, when taken in the right dosage, Dolo 650 is considered both safe and effective. Which is why, to this day, it remains a must-have in every home medicine box. Now, we've tackled fever relief, but here's another problem almost every household faces from time to time: acidity. Think about it, after a heavy meal, late night snacks, or even just stress, that burning sensation in the chest or stomach discomfort is something we've all experienced. So, from fever tablets, let's move on to the everyday remedies that bring quick relief from acidity. Our next medicine isn't a tablet, it's that familiar little fizzy powder we've all seen someone pour into a glass of water. Yes, ENO. The moment it hits the water, it bubbles up, and within seconds, it starts working to neutralize excess stomach acid. Its main ingredients are sodium bicarbonate and citric acid, which together provide quick relief from acidity, indigestion, and that uncomfortable heaviness after a heavy meal. No wonder it's one of the most popular instant antacids in India, trusted for its speed and effectiveness. So, we've seen how acidity can spoil our comfort after a meal, but there's another condition that troubles so many Indian households, especially during the summer and monsoon months: diarrhea and dehydration. From children to adults, almost every family has faced this at some point. The real danger isn't just the loose motions, it's the loss of fluids and electrolytes that leaves the body weak and drained. Which is why, our next essential medicine focuses one that helps restore balance and rehydrate the body quickly. Summers in India often bring not just the heat, but also heat strokes, diarrhea, and dehydration. And when that happens, one simple yet powerful remedy can truly be a lifesaver: ORS sachets. ORS stands for Oral Rehydration Salts. It works by quickly restoring the body's lost fluids and electrolytes during dehydration caused by diarrhea, vomiting, or even summer heat exhaustion. Think about it, especially in homes with children or elderly members, keeping a few sachets handy is not just smart, it's essential. No wonder ORS is often called a lifesaver in a packet. So, we've refreshed ourselves with hydration. Now, let's talk about something many of us have faced at some point: stomach pain and cramps. Whether it's from indigestion, gas, or even stress, stomach cramps can be really uncomfortable and disrupt our day. Let's explore something that helps soothe this very familiar discomfort. When those sudden stomach cramps or abdominal pains strike, many families reach for a quick fix called Cyclop. It's especially popular for menstrual cramps and sudden stomach spasms, which means it's a staple in a lot of Indian homes. Cyclop combines two powerful ingredients, dicyclomine and paracetamol. Together, they work to give you fast relief from that nagging stomachache. That's why it's considered a must-have for sudden stomach discomfort. Having eased those stomach cramps, let's now move on to something that impacts almost everyone at some point: muscle and joint pain. Whether it's after a long day's work, exercise, or just old age catching up, discomfort in muscles and joints is a common complaint. So, let's check out the trusted medicines many Indian households keep handy to tackle this pain. Twisted ankle after a game? Muscle pain following a workout? The go-to remedy many people reach for is the cooling relief of Valini gel and spray. What makes it special? Its powerful combo of diclofenac and menthol works to reduce swelling while giving you that instant soothing comfort right where it hurts. Unlike oral painkillers that work through the whole body, Valini acts locally on the affected area, making it a favorite for those who want quick, targeted relief without popping tablets. That's why many households keep Velini handy for those sudden aches and pains. From pain relief, let's now shift our focus to something we all deal with at home, minor cuts and wounds. Now, let's talk about something you've probably seen in almost every first aid kit, betadine solution. It contains povidone iodine 10%, a powerful antiseptic. What does it do? Quite simply, it works by killing or preventing the growth of bacteria. That's why we use it for cuts, scrapes, small wounds, and even minor skin infections. It's like a first line of defense, keeping germs away so the wound has a clean chance to heal. But cleaning is just the first step, right? Once the wound is germ-free, we want it to actually heal faster. So, from an antiseptic liquid, let's now move to the next stage, an antibiotic cream that supports and protects wound healing. Next up is a staple in many households for dealing with minor cuts, wounds, and skin infections, soframycin. This antibiotic cream contains framicetin sulfate, a powerful ingredient that helps stop bacterial growth right at the site of the injury. That means it doesn't just clean the wound, it actively prevents infection from setting in, which speeds up healing and reduces the risk of complications. Many families keep soframycin handy because it's easy to apply and effective, giving you peace of mind that small cuts and scrapes are well cared for. From protecting and healing wounds, let's now move on to a very different but equally important group of medicines, allergy medicines, which many of us reach for in everyday situations to tackle sneezing, itching, and rashes. Many families rely on it because it quickly eases common allergy symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, and itching, especially during seasons with dust or pollen around. How does it work? It blocks histamine, the chemical that causes those annoying allergy reactions. Some people might feel a bit sleepy after taking it, so it's often used during the day by those who need regular relief. If allergies bug you often, Formicet is a handy little helper to keep those sniffles and sneezes in check. Speaking of allergies, another household essential many turn to is a medicine for cough and cold. Let's check that out next. Next up is a familiar name in many homes, Benadryl cough syrup. It combines diphenhydramine, ammonium chloride, and sodium citrate to soothe throat irritation and calm that stubborn cough. Ever had that tickle in your throat that just won't quit? Benadryl works quickly to ease it and help you breathe easier. From cough syrups with soothing relief, let's now move to common cold medicines that come in easy-to-take tablets. Next, we have Crocin Cold and Flu, a combo tablet designed to tackle multiple cold symptoms like fever, blocked nose, and headache. It combines paracetamol to reduce pain and fever, phenylephrine to clear nasal congestion, and a bit of caffeine to boost the effect and keep you alert. It's like a handy little all-in-one that helps you get back on your feet faster when cold and flu strike. From cold, let's move to stomach health again, with a very common antacid tablet. Digene tablets are a familiar name when it comes to stomach relief. These chewable tablets combine magnesium hydroxide, aluminium hydroxide, and simethicone to quickly neutralize excess stomach acid and reduce bloating and gas. They work by calming the stomach, easing discomfort, and helping you feel lighter after heavy or spicy meals. Now, let's move on to medicines for another common issue, diarrhea, which affects both children and adults frequently. Our next medicine for gut health is Sporlac, which contains lactic acid bacillus, a probiotic that helps restore the healthy bacteria in your gut. This is especially useful during and after diarrhea, or when antibiotics have disturbed your natural gut flora. By bringing back the good bacteria, Sporlac supports better digestion and faster recovery. Many families rely on Sporlac to keep their gut balanced and healthy. From probiotics that support gut health, let's now move to medicines used for vomiting and nausea. Next, let's talk about Domstal, a popular anti-nausea tablet containing domperidone 10 mg. This medicine helps relieve vomiting and indigestion-related discomfort by speeding up stomach emptying and calming nausea. It's often taken about 15 to 30 minutes before meals for the best effect. Many households rely on Domstal for quick relief from upset stomach and vomiting. Now, from anti-nausea medicines, let's move to a vitamin supplement commonly found in many homes. Let's talk vitamins. Becozules is a popular supplement that combines vitamin B complex and vitamin C. It's widely used for tackling general weakness, fatigue, and even improving appetite. The B vitamins help boost energy and metabolism, while vitamin C supports immunity and tissue repair. Many families keep Becozules handy to stay energized and support overall wellness, especially during recovery or stressful times. From vitamins, let's move to iron supplements, which are very commonly used in Indian households. Livagen is a well-known supplement that contains iron, folic acid, and vitamin B12. It's mainly used to treat and prevent iron deficiency anemia, especially in women during pregnancy or menstruation. These nutrients work together to help your body produce healthy red blood cells, boost energy, and reduce fatigue. Because anemia is common, many families keep Livagen handy to maintain good blood health and vitality. From iron supplements, let's now shift our focus to calcium and vitamin D supplements, vital for strong bones and overall health. Shell Cal 500 is a widely used supplement that provides calcium and vitamin D3, essential nutrients for maintaining strong bones and healthy joints. Calcium helps keep bones dense and sturdy, while vitamin D3 improves calcium absorption to make sure your body gets the most benefit. Many people take Shell Cal to prevent calcium deficiency and bone-related issues like osteoporosis. It's especially useful for older adults and anyone concerned about bone health. Now, let's switch gears and go back to fever medicines, this time, a syrup form designed for children. Crocin syrup is a paracetamol suspension specially formulated for children. It's commonly used to reduce fever and mild pain, like teething pain or cold symptoms. Dosage is based on your child's weight, so always follow the instructions on the bottle or consult your doctor for the right amount. It works quickly and is gentle on little tummies. From children's medicines, let's move on to a simple and effective remedy many households use to relieve constipation. Cremofen is a mild laxative syrup combining liquid paraffin and milk of magnesia to relieve constipation gently and safely. It works by softening the stool and lubricating the intestines, making bowel movements smoother without causing bloating or gas. Cremofen is suitable for adults and children when used as directed, and it usually works within 6 to 12 hours. Now, from relieving constipation, let's move to a topical ointment that's a household essential for burns. Bernal is a popular cream used for minor burns and wounds. It contains aminocrine hydrochloride and cetrimide, two powerful ingredients that work to prevent infections by stopping bacterial growth at the injury site. It helps reduce pain, redness, and swelling while promoting faster healing. Bernal is a trusted and easy-to-use first aid solution for everyday minor burns and skin injuries. From burn cream, let's move to an antiseptic liquid that's widely used in homes for cuts and wounds. Did you know? Simple cuts and scrapes left untreated could cause serious infections. That's why having a reliable antiseptic at home is essential. Dettol antiseptic liquid contains chlorosilanol, a powerful antiseptic that kills bacteria and protects against infections. It's widely used on cuts, wounds, and scratches to keep them clean and free from germs. It can also be diluted for disinfecting surfaces around the house. Now, let's look at an eye drop often kept in homes for irritation and redness. Do your eyes often feel dry or irritated after long hours in front of screens? Refresh Tears eye drops contain carboxymethyl cellulose, which acts like artificial tears to provide temporary relief from dryness, burning, and irritation. They help lubricate the eyes, soothe discomfort, and protect against further dryness. Many people keep Refresh Tears handy, especially in today's digital age where screen time is high. Now, let's move to an ointment used for treating fungal skin infections, another common household medicine. Candid contains clotrimazole and is used as a cream or powder to treat fungal skin infections like ringworm, athlete's foot, and itching. It works by stopping the growth of fungus and helps relieve redness, irritation, and discomfort. Candid is a trusted choice for keeping fungal infections under control and soothing the skin. From fungal infections, let's move to a simple balm that many use to relieve colds and headaches. Ever struggled to breathe through a stuffy nose during a cold? Vicks Vaporub might be your go-to remedy. This popular household balm contains menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus oil, ingredients known to provide quick relief from nasal congestion, cold symptoms, and even mild headaches. Applying it to the chest and throat releases soothing vapors that help open nasal passages and calm coughs, making it easier to breathe and rest. Now, let's talk about a pain balm that almost every Indian family knows and trusts. When head or muscle pain creeps in, many Indian households turn to a trusted classic, Amrutanjan balm. This traditional balm blends menthol, methyl salicylate, and camphor to provide quick relief from headaches, muscle pain, and cold symptoms. Its cooling and soothing action helps relax the muscles and ease pain fast, making it a go-to remedy for everyday aches. And finally, when diarrhea strikes, the combination that works quickly and effectively is When diarrhea or stomach infections strike, especially during travel, Norflox TZ is a widely prescribed combination medicine. It contains norfloxacin and tinidazole, two antibiotics that work together to kill harmful bacteria and parasites causing the infection. This combination helps to quickly relieve symptoms and restore your digestive health. Always complete the full course as prescribed to ensure the infection is fully cleared and prevent recurrence. As we wrap up, these were the top 25 essential household medicines in India, trusted, simple remedies relied on by millions every day. Remember, even familiar medicines should be used responsibly and under your doctor's guidance to ensure safety and effectiveness. Thank you so much for watching. If this video added value to your health knowledge, please like, share, and subscribe to Pharma Health Insights. Do keep watching for more trusted healthcare tips to keep you and your family safe and well.